Hello and welcome again to Nature Only Media. Yes, these are African wild dogs. As you can see them, they don't look like they can stay in residential areas. That's why they are called wild dogs. They are fast in what they can do with their forelegs. They can run, but not faster than my favorite cheetah. They can run fast between 60 and 72 kilometers per hour. That's fast, but not, like I said, not faster than cheetah. Cheetah can go faster than that, up to 100 kilometers an hour. Can you imagine that speed from an animal? So cheetahs are faster than the wild dogs. Another person might say, come on, Nature Only. You can't just tell us about the speed of these wild dogs and cheetah. What's more to these wild dogs than just the speed? Okay, here's an interesting fact as well. The normal dog got 5 toes in front, like 5 claws in each leg, and then these wild dogs, they've got 4 on each leg. That's why they are called wild dogs. So you find the normal dog got 5 in front and 4 at the back. So these ones, they've got 4 on each leg, so that makes it 4, 8, 12, 16 toes. So that's another interesting fact to say why God created them like that. Only God knows. So there you go. You've got another twisting fact. And their ears, they can hear far, they can detect a sound far away than a normal dog. That's another fact. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please just click that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and leave your comment regarding the African wild dogs. And another fact is that they got a nice pack of, they like to be in the most biggest pack. About these wild African dogs is between 10 and 20 packs, and their success rate of hunting is like 80% compared to lions, which is 30%. So yes, I just gave you something to know about these African wild dogs. Cheers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment regarding these beautiful wild African dogs. Cheers and take care.